Hello everyone, I am Shikriti Paul, a first year MSc Data Science student at CMI. I have created an interactive dashboard using the Larsen and Toubro Realty Housing dataset, which I obtained from Kaggle. The original dataset has 1 lakh rows and was very difficult to work with. Therefore, I chose 5,000 rows randomly and created the visualization graphs using them. The links for both the datasets are given here. When a buyer plans to purchase a property, or when an investor conducts research in real estate, several key questions naturally arise. What are the property prices? Are the properties fully furnished, semi furnished, or unfurnished? How many bedrooms and bathrooms do they offer? What amenities are available? My dashboard is designed to answer all these questions. At the very beginning, we see the overall price distribution of the property. On the left-hand side, there is a histogram of property prices given in the log scale. For better understanding, the price per square feet across different property types are also shown. I have used box plot so that the buyer or the investor can check out the minimum, maximum, or median prices very easily. Also here, the outliers are very prominent. If I choose, suppose, independent house, then we can see the price per square feet of unfurnished independent houses, semi-furnished independent houses, and fully furnished independent houses. In each of the cases, the minimum price, the median price, and also the maximum price is very visible. We can also detect the outlier in this process. In the next tab, we analyze the distribution of furnishing types, that is unfurnished, semi-furnished, and fully furnished properties. The bar charts on the left-hand side shows the number of properties of different furnishing types for several kinds of property, whereas on the right-hand side we see the probability density graph of the same. Now, if we choose the property type to be duplex, we can see the number of unfurnished duplex, semi-furnished duplex, and fully furnished duplex. Now in the right hand side, if we again change the property type into duplex, we will see the probability density graphs of fully furnished duplex, unfurnished duplexes, and semi-furnished duplexes. Along with this, we visualize the number of bedrooms and the number of bathrooms across these furnishing categories. In both the cases, I have used donut charts. The property types can be adjusted with the help of the drop-down menu, which provides a clearer and more flexible view of data. Here, the property type is apartment. So we see in unfurnished apartments, 24.1% of unfurnished apartments has two bedrooms. Here, we see that 22.2% semi-furnished apartments has two bedrooms. And similarly, for fully furnished apartments, we can see the results. Now, below, we see the donut charts. Here, if we select the property type to be penthouse, we can see that 30% of the unfurnished penthouses have three bathrooms. So, with this method, we can easily analyze how many bedrooms or bathrooms we get when we buy a property. Now we have a donut chart in the next tab, which represents the availability of amenities across different property types. From the drop-down menu, when we select different properties, the percentage of the donut changes. Here we can see that for each kind of properties, the amenities are more or less equally distributed. For independent houses, all the amenities are more or less 11%. For say villa, all the amenities again are more or less 11%. Now, in the final tab, there are two line charts, of which the left hand side displays the median price of properties across different locations. I have used the median instead of mean to reduce the effect of outliers and provide a more robust measure of central tendency. In both the charts, we can adjust the location as well as the property types. Suppose we want to check the price of villa in Kolkata, Pune, and Bangalore. So we delete the unwanted attributes and look for only the thing we want. Now here, if we want to see villa, we will delete these options. And in the case of city, there is Bangalore, Pune, and we want to include Kolkata. So we select Kolkata and we delete Chennai, we delete Delhi, and we delete Jaipur. Now, since we want villa, we will delete all the other options. So here we can easily see the median price of villas in the city Bangalore, Kolkata, and Pune. And we see that in Pune, the prices of villas, the median prices of villas are highest. In Bangalore and Kolkata, the prices are near about same. Now, the graph in the right hand side where we see the median metro distance of properties across several locations helps customers understand the connectivity and accessibility of different properties. Overall, this dashboard serves as a practical decision support tool for buyers and investors by transforming raw data into meaningful insights. Now, here in this graph, if we want to calculate the median price of villas in the city Bangalore, Pune, and Kolkata, then we delete the city Chennai, we delete Delhi and Jaipur. Since we want Kolkata, we include Kolkata, and since we are interested with only villa, we delete all the other unwanted options. So we get that the median metro distance in Bangalore from the villas are almost at the higher side, and in case of Kolkata, the distance are maximum, and for Pune, the distance is minimum. This is how our dashboard serves the buyers or the investors.